Hello guys and welcome back to LeetLogics. This is the number of ways to divide a long corridor problem, and it is a LeetCode hard, and the number for this is 2147. It is a LeetCode hard, but I am sure it will be an easy question for you if you watch the video till the end. So let's begin with the question. So in this question we are given a long library corridor, and there is a line of seats and decorative plants, and we are given it zero index string. So the string contains a long corridor. It can consist of either seats or plants, and one room divider has already been installed at the beginning. You can see before zeroth index we have a divider, and the another to the right of the index. So uh, at the last after the last index we also have a divider there. So additional room dividers can be installed for each position between indices I-1 and I. So anywhere in the array we can install the room dividers. So but there must be some condition. So let's see, is there any condition? So divide the corridor into non-overlapping sections where each section has exactly two seats with any number of plants. So we have to divide each section with two seats, and it may have any number of plants. So there may be multiple ways to perform, but two different ways two ways are different if their position with the room divider installed in the first way and the second way are not same. So the problem is a bit simple. To divide the corridor into non-overlapping sections with exactly two seats and any number of plants in between. So for this we need to identify the position where divider can be installed, and the problem constraints are 10 to the power 5. Okay, so the problem constraints the installation of dividers such that each position between the indices I-1 can have and I can have only one divider. So between two indices we can put only one divider, this is for sure. So what can we do? So we would be approaching the question in such a way that uh, let me explain you through the example. Suppose you iterate through the entire array of the corridor. You found a seat. Okay, as soon as you find a seat, what do? You loop in the other part of the array, in the forward part of the array, upcoming part, and try to find another seat. Okay, so you have found seat 1, then you will search for seat 2, and while you will be advancing to the next seat, you have to ignore all the plants in between. In this example there are no plants in between the seat 1 and seat 2. If there were plants, you would have to simply ignore them. So uh, uh, we have found the seat 1, then we'll advance to seat 2 ignoring all the plants along the way, and then we'll there is no guarantee there is a guarantee the division between the adjacent pair of seat, and each plant between them adds extra one division. So this is a line which is very important for us. So we have seat 1, we have seat 2, so we can put a divider here. So you see we have a one divider. Then we have a plant. Okay, there can be any number of plants. So we have put a divider after the plant, and now the where we have put the divider earlier, and now the position of the divider is not same. So these two are different ways of doing dividing the corridor. Okay, so there is one more plant, so we can put the divider after that plant also. Okay, so we will put here also. So we'll check for each plant between the X seeds, and we'll put a divider. So the basic intuition is that you try to find seed 1, seed 2, and then how many plants are there in between the next pair of seeds, and you add that many divisions for every pair of seeds, and at the end you have to check if there are extra divisions are possible, then we have to multiply a result that for that divisions. So This is how we are going to solve the problem. So now let's come to the code section, but before that, please do like the video, uh, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel. So the first step is to convert the string to character array, because that will be easy for us to handle it. You can handle it using the string itself or the string builder in Java, and C++ provides a better support to handle the string like a character array. So it is as per your wish, but I would be choosing a character array. Int chairs equal to 0. We have put, let's say we have put chairs equal to 0. The chairs here are the seat. We'll define a long result equal to 1. Result is put 1 because we are assuming that there may be at least a pair of seats, so that we can put one division. Then our next step was to iterate through the loop and try to find the first seat. So we'll try to find out the first seat. Okay, we have find out the first seat here. Then what we'll do, chairs plus plus, because we have found the seat. Then we have to advance to the next seat, ignoring the plants in the way. This was the step. So for this, what we'll do, while I plus plus is less than, I think it will be plus plus of I, because otherwise it will give maybe array index out of bounds. So this should be less than the length of the array, and array of I should not be equal to s. So if not equal to s, that means it's a plant. So we can simply let it continue. You can write continue here also, otherwise I've used a semicolon. It will be stuck in the loop until it find a plant. So until it will find the seed, it will be stuck in this loop. So after this step, we will be having the next seed here in the I. So let's check. If I is less than array dot length and array of I equal to s, then we have to again do the chairs plus plus, because we have found another seat. Okay, we have now two seats. We have now here. Now there is one guaranteed division between adjacent pair of seats, and each plant between them adds as an extra division. So since we have two seats, there must be one division here. Must be one division. So we initialize the division equal to 1, and then for each plant we'll add one extra division. So plus plus I less than array dot length and I less than array dot length. Sorry, this will be not I less than, this will be array of I not equal to s. So for this every plant, what we'll do, we'll put a division plus plus. For every plant, a division is added here, and if there are extra division possible, we'll multiply the result. So for that, if divisions is greater than 1 and I is less than array dot length, So for that, what we'll do, result equal to result into divisions, and here we have a mod. And we'll do a I minus minus. After this, there is one more step. Like if there are no chairs or an odd number of chairs, then there may not be possible to give a valid result. Then we have to so we'll return the no divisions in that case. Otherwise, we can return the result which we have. So here we need to use ternary operator. Chairs not equal to 0 and chairs mod 2 equal to 0. Then we'll give the result. Otherwise, we'll get 0. So let's check if it runs on the sample test cases. The next error is division. Where the sample test cases are passing, let's test for the hidden test cases as well. It seems it is giving a wrong answer, so let me check for the. There must be some division difference in the mod. Yes, I have put 10s to the power 8. It will be 10s to the power 9 in the mod. So let's use this test case. Try to submit it. Okay, passing. Submitting it for the hidden test cases. Okay, passed with a good time complexity, good memory complexity. So let's talk about the complexity as well. So the time complexity for this solution is O of n, where n is the length of the corridor, and as we iterate through the corridor once, it may seem that we are doing uh, multiple iteration over the corridor, but there is only single iteration going on if you understood the logic. Like we are starting from index, then we are going till the till we find 2 seats, and then we try to find the plants, and every time we are moving ahead, we are not considering the backward part of the array which is already traversed. So that's why the time complexity is O of n, and the space complexity is O of 1, as we use constant amount of space for variables. If you don't count the this array which we have converted to character array, because we can have done it using the string itself only. So this is why I'm saying it is O of 1, because you can do it in the string only. So this was my solution for number of ways to divide a long corridor. I hope you like the video. Please share it, subscribe it to the channel. Thank you for watching the video. Have a